Hello guys, welcome back to Algods. In this video, we are going to discuss the question, remove duplicates from sorted list. Let's see with the help of an example what we have to do in this question. Taking this example, we have to remove all the elements which are repeated. For example, in this case, 3 is repeated and 8 is repeated. So the answer for this case will be 1, 5, 7, null. And looking at this case, here all the elements are repeated, so the answer for this case will be null. In this video, we are going to do this question with the help of recursion. So let's see how we have to do this question. For recursion, first we need base case. So what should be the base case for this question? If the linked list is already null or there is only one element in the linked list. In this case, no repetition will be there. So our base case is if head is equals to null or next of head is equals to null. Then what we will do, we will just return the head. Now there are two cases possible for the head value, if it is repeated and if it is not. So first see what we have to do if the head value is repeated. Suppose this is the linked list 3, 3, 4, 5, null. So what do we have to do in this? We have to remove these two threes. So we can do one thing. We will iterate forward until we get a node which has a different value as compared to the head value. Suppose this node is temp. Then what we will do? We will just return the recursive function that we are writing of temp. In this way, what will happen? These two nodes are ignored and our function will return the effective linked list which we get from here onwards. And suppose if the head value is not repeated in the second case, suppose the linked list is 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, null. In this case, the head value is 3 and its next value is 4. So it means that 3 will be in the answer. So what we will do is we will store the answer which comes from the next node in the head next. The next is equals to REC of recursion of head of next. So what this will do is it will simplify the linked list from the next node and brings the head of that linked list and store in the next value of the head, and then we will return the head node. Let's see with the help of an example what actually is happening here. Suppose our linked list is 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, null, and our head is pointed at 1. So as head value is not equals to the next value, so what we will do is we will call the recursive function from the next node. Here we see that head value is same as the next value, so we will find all those nodes which are same value and call the recursive function from the unequal node. So in the next recursive call, the linked list which we get is this. Here we see that the head value is different from the next value, so we will call the recursion from here 6, 6, null. Here we see that the head value is similar as the next value, so we will iterate and find which is the unequal node. So we reach the end of the linked list. From here, our base case will hit and it will return null to the previous recursive call. Here, we will attach null after the 5. So this recursive function will return this linked list to the previous recursive call. Here, as we see, we have to return answer this only because the head value is repeated. So from here, the same linked list is returned to the previous function. Here we see that the head value is different. So we will attach the new linked list to the next value of the head and we will return this linked list back. And the answer we get finally is this. And if we look at the original linked list, we will have to remove all the 3's and all the 6, and the effective linked list will be 1 5 null, which is this only. So our approach is correct. Talking about the time complexity for this, as we have visited all nodes only one time, so the time complexity will be O of n. If you have any doubt, you can look at the code in the description box, and if you have any doubts, you can also ask us in the comment section. If you like this video, do share it and like it, and subscribe our channel Algods. Thank you.